Children, let us continue the chapter squares and square roots. You know the three different methods of finding the square root, and also you learnt the method of finding the square root through repeated subtraction and finding the square root through prime factorization. Two methods already learnt and you solved many examples with the help of these two methods. Now let us discuss about the method of finding the square root by division method. Finding the square root by division method. We know that finding square root through repeated subtraction is not suitable for large numbers. And by using prime factorization method, it is not possible to get the square root of all numbers. When the numbers are large, even the method of finding square root by prime factorization becomes lengthy and difficult. Sometimes you can't get it also. To overcome this problem, we use the division method of finding the square root. For this, we need to determine the number of digits in the square root. Now let us discuss about the number of digits in the perfect square number and also number of digits in the square root. Now you consider 1. 1 is a smallest square number with single digit. Its root is also 1, that is having one digit. Now 9 is the greatest one digit square number. Its root is 3, that is also having one digit. So square number is having one digit, its root is also having one digit. Now your second case you study 16 and 81. 16 is a 2-digit square number. It is a smallest square number with 2 digits and its root is having only one digit. Next 81. 81 is a greatest 2-digit square number. Its root is 9. So you can have here square number is having 2 digits and its root is having only one digit. Now you consider the next one, square root of 100 and square root of 961. Square root of 100 is the smallest 3-digit square number. Its root is 10. It is having 2 digit. And 961 is the greatest 3-digit square number. Its root is 31. It is also having 2 digit. So if the square number is having 3 digits, its square root is having 2 digit. Next 1024. It is a square number with 4 digits. It is a smallest square number with 4 digits. Its root is 32. And 9801. It is a greatest squared number with 4 digits. 1024 is a smallest square number with 4 digits and 9801 is the greatest square number with 4 digits. And here 32 and 99. So if the square number is having 4 digits, its square root is having 2 digits. So here you got that for 1 digit square number and 2 digit square number, the square root is having only one digit. For 3 digit square number and 4 digit square number, the square root is having 2 digits. So here let us continue this. So if the perfect square is having 1 or 2 digits, then its square root is having only one digit. Number of digits are 1 or 2 in the square number, then the number of digits in square root is only 1. Then if the square number is having 3 or 4 digits, its square root is having 2 digits. And if the square number is having 5 or 6 digits, its square root is having 3 digits. If the square number is having 7 or 8 digits, then its square root is having 4 digits. You can continue this. If the square number is having 9 or 10 digits, its square root is having 5 digits. And you can generalize here. See, here it is for 1 and 2, it is 1. You know that 1 is equals to what? 2 by 2. And also for 1, what you can do? 1 plus 1 by 2. Here for 3, 2. 2 means 4 by 2. And for 3 it is 3 plus 1 by 2. And next 3 is 6 by 2 for this. And for 5 it is 5 plus 1 by 2. Next 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2, 10 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. 5 plus 1 by 2 is 6 by 2, that is 3. So that is depending upon the odd and even number. Therefore, we can say that if a perfect square is of n digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even, or n plus 1 by 2 digits if n is odd. See here 2 is even, 2 by 2 equals 1 you got. If 1 is odd, so you got 1 plus 1 by 2. 3 is odd, 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 is even, 4 by 2. And 5 is odd, 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 is even, 6 by 2. So for example, if there are 13 digits in the square number, how many digits are there in its square root? That is, as 13 is odd, you can have 13 plus 1 by 2, that equals 14 by 2, 7 digits. How many digits are there in its square root? There are 7 digits. So if there are 22 digits in the square number, then its square root is having 22 by 2 equals 11 digits. Therefore, you can write that if a perfect square is of n digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even, or n plus 1 by 2 digits if n is odd. By counting the number of digits in the given square number, you can say the number of digits in the square root. That is, depending upon the number of digits is odd or even. Now, let us come to the division method of finding the square root. Now you take one number, find the square root of 27,225 by division method. Now you take that number 27,225. How many digits are there? Here there are 5 digits. And can you guess the number of digits in its square root? In this number there are 5 digits, and in its square root 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2, 3. So in its square root there are 3 digits. And now let us start the method. In the first step, place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the digits at 1's place. Now you put the bar on the pair of numbers starting from the unit place. Here the unit place digit is 5. So in the first pair 5 2, and in the next pair 2 7, and here there are odd number of digits 5 digits are there, and 2 is the single digit for the last group. Here, if the number of digits in it is odd, then the leftmost single digit 2 will have a bar. Thus, you put bar for the single digit 2. So, the first group is 5 2. You must come from in this direction. First group is 5 2. Second one is 2 7. And next, keep the bar on 2. So, now you got first group is 2, second group is 7 2, third group is 2 5. First group is 2, second group is 7 2, third group is 2 5. Now, here first you take the first group 2 and find the largest number whose square is less than 2 or equal to 2. Here we have to find the square number which is equals to the first group or nearest lesser than the first group. Here 2 is there. You know that 2 is not a perfect square, but the nearest perfect square, the largest perfect square lesser than 2 is 1. So you write 1 ones are 1. Take this number as the divisor and the quotient with the number under the extreme left bar as the dividend. Divide and get the remainder. Here you got 1 ones are 1. 1 is a perfect square and it is a product of 1 and 1. Now, then you subtract 1 from this 2. From the first group you subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down the number under the next bar. You must take the group together. Take the number under the next bar, that is 7 and 2 are the numbers under the next bar. Take down that 7 to below. And here the number becomes 172. Next here you must take the double of the number you kept here. You put here the double of the number. So, or add the same number 1, then you will get 2. What you will get? 2 you will get. 1 plus 1 2, or directly you double it and write 2. You double it and write 2, or add the same number and write. So, you got 2 here. Now, guess a largest possible digit to fill the blank, which will also become the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. Here what you have to do? We have to guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank. You take 2 1 into 1 or 2 2 into 2, 2 3 into 3, like this way that you have to take. Here there is a 2. In front of 2 you have to put the some digit to get the product equal to 172 or approximately equal to 172, not greater than 172. You take the nearest smaller or equal to this number. If you put 1 in front of 2, that becomes 21 into 1. If you put 2 in front of 2, that becomes 22 into 2. If you put 3, you must multiply it by 3, or 24 into 4, 25 into 5, 26 into 6. So, which was any suitable, you take 27 into 7. Next 28 into 28, 28 into 8. Here all this becomes less. 26 6 6 6 36, 6 2 12, 12 plus 3 156. Again you take 2 7 into 7, 7 7 49, 7 2 14 plus 4, 189 you will get. It becomes more. 189 becomes more. So you can take this one. That is 26 6 how much? 156. Because 189 is more than 172. So you can't take this. So you take 6 and multiply it by 6. So you got 156. Now you subtract. Then it is 12 minus 6 is 6. And 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you take the next group. Take the numbers under the next bar. Completely you take 25 down. So you got 1625. Now here you add 6. That becomes 26 plus 6. 26 plus 6 is 32. That becomes 32. 26 plus 6 is 32. Then again we have to take some digit in front of 32 and we have to multiply with the same digit. So here it is, as it is a perfect square and it is having 5, means you can get 32 into 32. You take 5 in front of it. 5 into 5, because 5 is there and it is a last number. So as it is a perfect square, you must exact value as 1625. Then you take 32. In front of 32 you put 5. In front of 32 you put 5 and multiply it by 5. What you will get here? 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. So you got, here you write 5. Here also you write 5. That is 325 5s. What you got? 1625. That equals 0. Therefore you can write, therefore square root of 27,225 equals this value. How much? 165. Now you take second one. Find the square root of 9,98,001 by division method. You take the given number 9,98,001. What is that number? 9,98,001. 9,98,001. Now make the grouping first. 1008 and 99. Here there are how many digits? There are 6 digits. So its square root is having 3 digits and 3 pairs are there. 100899, and here all the 3 pairs are having double digits only. Now here take the first pair, first group. What is the first group here? That is 99. And take the nearest, greatest perfect square number or equal to 99. Equal to 99. So here you know that, and nearest to 99 is 81. 81 is the greatest, nearest perfect square number to 99. Then you write here 81. Then it is square of 9. Write 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. 99 is not a perfect square. So we have to take 81, which is the nearest, greatest. Next, here you subtract 81 by 99. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. Take the next numbers under the bar, that is 80. You got 1880. And here what you have to do? add 9 or double it. 9 plus 9, 18. You can double it directly, or by adding same number you will nothing but that is doubling. Now in front of 18 we have to put some number to get the product equal to 1880 or nearest to 1880. So you try to consider or try to guess that number by the trial and error method. 181 into 1 you will get 181. Now here 1880 is there, so try to get 189 into 9. Otherwise you need to take 182 into 8, 183 into 3. Here you must get the idea about this. And 184 into 4. Try to find the product. 2 2s are 4, 18 2s are 36. It becomes there is a least number. So here 18 4s are 72. So you take the number to get the value more than 1500. Then here 18 8s are 144. Put 8 and find 188 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8 64 plus 6 70, and 8 1s are 8 plus 7 15 you got. Again try to keep 189 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81, and 9 8s are 72 plus 8 80, and 9 1s are 9 plus 8 1701. Okay, 1701. Then you will get the number which is okay. 9 you put, that becomes 9. Then that is 1701. Then 0 minus 1 9, and that is 7, and also 8 minus 7 is 1, 179 you got. Then you take down the next group 0 1. Take down the next group. Then here you add 9. 189 plus 9, it becomes 198. 189 plus 9 is 198. Next here you must put the sum number in front of this 198, and you have to multiply that by the same number what you have taken in front of 198, and you must get the value 17,901. So you can find it by trial and error method, but here you can guess here, as it is a perfect square number and here there is 1 means you can put 9 or 1. You know that the number is 1 means its square root is having either 9 or 1 in the unit place. So you take first one 1981 into 1, you are going to get 1981 only. Next you take 1989 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 plus 8 80, and 9 9s are 81 plus 8 9. Then 9 1s are 9 plus 8 17. You got it. So what you have to put? 9 9. 1989 into 9 equals what? 17,901. So if you subtract it, you will get 0. Then you can write the square root of this is this one. Therefore you write square root of 9,98,001 equals what? 999. 999. Third question. Find the square root of 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025 by division method. Find the square root of 65 crore 76 lakhs 66,025 by division method. Now you take the number. What is the number? 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025. Now as usual, a pair of digits starting from the digit at ones place, that is starting from 5, 5 2, 0 6, 6 6, 7 5, and in the last group there is only one digit is there, that is the single digit group, that is 6. Here there are how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. As there is odd number of digits, you will get the last group is a single digit group, and its root, as it is having 9 digits, its root is having 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2 equals 5 digits. Let us observe here. Now take the first group, that is 6. Nearest perfect square to it, you know that 4. What is that? 4. So you take 2 2s are 4. Then you subtract it, you will get 6 minus 4 2. 6 minus 4 2. Then you take the digits under the next bar, that is 5 7. Then you take 2 here, add 2, then you will get 2 plus 2 4. Double it, or 2 plus 2 4, and here there is 257. You must put the digit in front of 4 to get the product equal to 257 or approximately equal to 257. Nearest to 257 we have to take. So here it is 25, means you can take 6. 4 6 are 24. So you put 46 into 6. If you put 45 into 5, it becomes 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 225 it becomes. And if you put 6, 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, it becomes 276. And you know that 276 is more than the 257. Therefore, you take this one, that is 45 into 5 equals 225. 225. Then you subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here 0. Next you take the digits under the next group. Digits under the next group is 66. Take down the 66. Here you add 5. Then it becomes 50. What you have taken, that must be added here. So it is 45 plus 5, you got 50. Again here the number is 3266. In front of 50 we have to take some digit and to be multiplied by the same digit, and you guess here. Here it is 32 and 5 6 are 30. Try to take 6. So it is 506 into 6. It becomes 6 6 are 36. 0 means 36. 5 6 are 30 you got. If you put 7, it becomes 7 7s are 49. 35 you will get 3549 you will get. Therefore you take this only, 6 into 6, and it is how much? 3036. Right here and subtract. 6 minus 6 0. 6 minus 3 3 2 0. Now here we have to add 6. The digit 6 is taken, so you add 6. Then it becomes 512. Next you take this group. The last group it is how much? 0, 2. The next you take the digits under the next group, that is 6, 0. The next group is 6 zeros. So you take 6, 0 down. And in front of 512, you must take the digit and multiply that by the same digit to get the product equal to this or nearest to it. So here 23 is there. You can take 4. Try to take 4. You can take 5, 1, 2, 1 into 1 equals 5, 2, 5, 1. 5, 1, 2, 2 into 2, like this way. But here you can guess 23 is there, means 5 4s are okay. You try here. 5, 1, 2, 5 into 5 equals 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 5s are 25. Then it becomes more. It is greater than 4. Then you try it by 4. 5 1 2 into 5 1 2 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. And 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. And 4 5s are 20. So you write 4 here. The product is 20596. Then 10 minus 6 is, then you subtract 10 minus 6, 4. 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 2 minus 0, 2. And 0 you will get. Next you take the next group, that is 2 5. Then here you add 4, becomes 5 1 2 8. Now in front of 5 1 2 8, you must put the digit and you have to multiply that number by the same digit and to get this value. Because it is the last group, you must get 0 here, as the given number is a perfect square. So the ending digit is 5, means you must put 5 only. 5 1 2 8 5 into 5. Then it is 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14. 1. And 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Then 5 5s are 25. You got the exact value. So put write 5 here. That is 256425 you got. If you subtract, you will get the 0. As you got 0, here the square root of, therefore you write square root of 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025 equals 25,645. 25,645. In this way, with the help of the division method, it is possible to get the square root of a larger numbers.